Hey guys, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button. But guys, as you know, I like to break the rules. So I'm gonna press the button. Don't fall into the lava. Oh geez, I think someone just pressed the button, which activated a round. Woo woo! Okay. Whoa! Why is this conveyor so fast? It's not an elevator, it's a conveyor. What am I saying? This isn't an elevator, this is a conveyor. Oh, this is so hard. Ah! Literally, look, I literally let go for like a few seconds and I get fall back so far. Oh, jeez, why is it so difficult? Oh, left and right. Oh, jeez, gotta go left. Gotta get. No, left, right. Wait, I don't know which way is left and which way is right. I'm getting confused. Wait, which way is left and which way is right? Left, up, right. I don't know whether I'm saying this correctly. Oh, I can relax a bit now. Get the ball to the end. Push it, push the ball, push the giant blue ball to the end. No, don't push the ball into me, you idiots! Bro, I get No, wait, no, we got black ball. No, we don't want coal. We weren't naughty to Santa. Santa! Okay. Oh, I can't remember the path. Oh, gee, show me. Okay, so what is it? Okay, then. Easy enough. I get this now. Yeah, I did it. That was easy. Bro, let me press the button. Don't get caught. Wait a minute. Oh, geez, why is there the police after us? What did we do? Oh, no. No, I'm in jail. No. Me is in jail. No. Me deserves to be in jail. I didn't do anything wrong. Yay, I'm finally out of jail. Help Santa find the presents. Oh, hey there, Santa. Hello? Yeah, I helped Santa find the presents. No, I want to be Santa's helper 2.0. Get to the water. Okay, I made it to the water. And we have what is this I'm holding? Ow! It didn't give me any time to think. What is this? Is this vinegar? Oh, what did this just do? I'm going crazy. I can't control myself. Bro! Ow! Oh, yeah, I've got a jetpack. Whoa! Yeah, no, let's not waste our jetpack fuel. Banana skin. Take banana! My banana skin backfired. I'm holding nothing. Okay. I know exactly what I'm going to do here, guys. Is I'm in fact just going to... I mean, guys, I am indeed wearing the crown, which means I'm going to get first. Because I am wearing the crown. And the crown equals winning. Literally no one's going up here, so I'm bagsying these few tiles. Or you person, no more tiles for you, all mine. All purple! Make all the tiles purple. No green! No green! Green no win! Green no win! Green is not going to win because I'm going to stop green. Stop green from winning! Yay! Let's team up, blue, and stop green! Stop green! Stop green! Stop the green! Stop the green! Yay! We stopped the green! Oh, I wasn't even on there. Oh man, no, I do not want to buy a grappling hook. Oh jeez. Someone had a bomb. Grab the most amount of... Oh, donuts! Yummy! Oh jeez, I thought we could jump onto these. Oh jeez. Lollipop. Okay, come on! Donuts! More donuts! Yeah, more donuts! And then whatever this pink bar is. Oh, I had 7, so I was not far behind. Get to the end without jumping. Well, I'm trying to jump, but it won't even let me. I want to jump, but it won't even let me. So I thought if you jumped, you'd die or something. But no, it turns out it doesn't even let you jump. No! No! Bro, there is actually no way. No, there's actually no way I am doing all of this. Ugh. Why am I so terrible at this? Okay then, guys. Whoa. Reach the end. The end of what? Oh, right. Oh, no, it's this stage. Guys, I've played this one before and I'm really good at this one. On the mobile Roblox, that is. On computer Roblox, I've only really ever actually done this round on mobile since I've only recently started on computer. Since I've only recently started playing Roblox on my computer. Ow! Oh, yeah! Oh, come on, bro. That's not fair. I can't even... Don't fall off and avoid obstacles. Oh, geez, there's a tree. We're on like a log raft thingy, okay. Well, this is easy. Oh, geez, okay, now it's getting a bit harder. Why are we even on the raft? Ouch. Ow, it hit me, no, me been hit. May as well just light up this thingy. Fight! Dude! Rocket launcher wars! Dang, I'm trying to hit people. Wait, I won? I didn't even do anything. I didn't even hit anybody. Oh geez, there's tsunami. Why are we even on the beach with a tsunami? I mean, I guess a tsunami happened to come whilst we're on a beach. So I guess we gotta get out of here. No! I think I was worrying a bit too much. The tsunami is actually really slow. Okay. Reach the other side. Oh no, Rainbow Obby, Rainbow Obby. I mean, guys, my channel name is Rainbow Guy, so I like this. It's a Rainbow Obby for Rainbow Guy. Yay, it's a Rainbow Obby for Rainbow Guy, Rainbow Guy, Rainbow Guy. It's a Rainbow Obby for Rainbow Guy. And why is this so hard? This should be easy. This should not be hard for Mr. Rainbow Guy. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. I've got to stop singing a song, but I just cannot stop. A song going through my head. Da-di, 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 da. Oh, jeez, Boulder! Boulder incoming, get out of the way! I think I'll call it a video. I think I'll call it a day, guys. Goodbye.